What's the worst thing to say before a driver's exam? This thing's got airbags, right? You're welcome. So we had the tenderloins last night.
Yeah, that was yummy.
Gonna have backstrap tonight. Mm-hmm. And yeah, we're gonna build a beam now.
Yeah, we got the rest of the wood, so.
Yeah, we gotta cut up the rest of our deer. It's been hanging a couple days too now, so. Been doing that stuff too.
Yeah.
But let's get the last beam up.
Yay.
So we got all three and then we're ready for the floor.
Yep, that'll be awesome.
Yeah. Suppose I could have checked the current on that, because I know you're not gonna.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
Here, you want to grab that one? I marrowed it.
Yeah.
I'll take this one. See if I can cut the cord off. Eh?
Yeah, right? Good thing you have your glasses.
You want to move that generator tiny bit? Like, maybe unplug my cord. And
Put it
here,
on that
I'll
side.
just do this. I can do it myself. The freak guy. So you should have said to me, do it yourself, pal.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put your glasses on. Maybe you lose an eyeball.
Yeah, and you just close your eyes.
I turned my head this
I'm just
time.
kidding.
I do close my eyes.
You don't even know.
Yeah.
Just look at me.
Are you done?
Yeah. Yeah. Your arm. I didn't feel it so cold.
Yeah.
You will.
Yeah.
You will. So which side was that? Like that?
All right, up this
So this
way.
was-
Yeah. If you need more exercise, I get you to walk to the further one.
That's mean.
Ah, gee.
Hey, look.
Teeter totter here.
That beam looks good. Get the joist.
Yeah. Right at your nuts.
You dead. We'll just go right down, tack,
again?
and then do what we did.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Nice. This one or this one? Gonna go down that way.
If you can, a hair, I think it would, yeah. More?
Sexy.
Yeah.
Good.
You could try one more, but I don't know if it'll go. Yep, did. I think that's pretty bang on right here, eh?
Yep.
Yep.
Here too.
That's perfect.
Okay. I can't see. Is it good? Did it not feel good to you? Or?
That one looks a little... No, maybe
No,
it is
it's
all right.
good.
Yeah, good. Okay.
We got that one?
Yep.
We did nail it, eh?
Yeah, we nailed it on both sides. Ew, balls of fire. This has a bow in it. I think it's all right.
No. Sure that's not low? Get the square, babe.
Yeah, it's low.
Yeah, put it right in tight.
Oh.
Yeah, it's definitely low.
Should have went the other way.
I knew it was low.
Yeah, right. Step on this end. Should I put this back on?
They took it away when they did that, I think.
Oh yeah, that's good. Look,
Right,
it's
nail
level.
it.
More?
Another one. Yeah, put that one out. One more. All right, now put the other side. Give her a look. That's pretty good.
I need your hammer.
Oh, where's yours?
I don't know.
Here's a tool belt in there. That's yours.
It's pretty level, is that? Yeah?
Oh, yeah, that's
oh
good.
nice.
Golden
Golden
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever, yeah. That's in tight, yeah?
Yep. Think so, hey?
Yeah.
No, there's a nail in it. You put a nail in it and I'll check.
Yeah, right? No, too
Yeah,
much.
put it right in tight.
Oh, yeah, right. Too much. Yeah, they're
That's what it is?
perfect, yeah.
Anyway, just go ahead and do what you were going to do without me saying anything.
Yeah, you got me all sidetracked.
I know, I hate that. Like when somebody says something, you're literally about to do it.
Yeah.
Like I just did to you.
Yeah. There.
Cool.
Oh, yes. Oh.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's good, eh?
Want me to attack it?
No, I can't. Gonna do that again? Hurry. Awkward. Yeah. In a big hurry, just shot a nail through your leg.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was rushing.
Oh, it's fine. As long as it's all together.
Yeah. Some things are worth it, eh?
Yeah. Good?
Good. No, yeah, stop. Just
Stop
bouncing.
Stop doing everything you're doing.
Just
That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
Yeah? Ready?
Bring the square.
Oh.
This here's actually pretty good. Still might have to
So,
square it off
you
to
do
make all
want
these equal. Definitely got to come up this side. Right there.
So should I go now?
That looks pretty good, I think. Can't really tell. Nice. Now we just got to nail the crap out of it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice. Well, there you go.
I can take those if you want.
But that doesn't matter.
I actually don't need them.
Yeah. All right, so we got that job done. That's exciting.
It is. I have a candy in my mouth.
Oh, you
And I
do.
just realized how annoying that can be.
Yeah. Don't talk too much.
Okay. Remember I had candy last year, I think.
Yeah, you were chewing or gum or something? I don't remember.
Take the candy out of your mouth.
I remember that,
Yeah.
yeah. So we're gonna get the order in now for the joists,
Yeah.
and that should be here.
Hopefully soon.
Yep.
We're gonna put it in, just get the whole thing dropped off here.
Yeah, make
We
life
did
easier.
separate trips for these, but for those we'll see if we can see if somebody can at least get to the front of the property.
Yeah.
If not, get it right in here.
Yeah, that'd be
But-
good.
We'll see. They should be able to get in. They get in.
I think so.
I drove the excavator down, but anyways, we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
But we're gonna put the whole order in and
Get
get be
working
doing
on
these
that.
floor joists then with the beams.
Yeah.
It's sweet to have these up.
It is awesome.
Love it.
So while we wait for those joists, we're gonna head back over to the tiny cabin, get all the fascia metal put on, and the corner boards. Finish up the
Yeah.
outside of that.
And then after that, we'll be able to put that wood stove in.
I know, so that'll be nice. It's been, luckily this week's been pretty warm. It goes up to about 12 degrees Celsius
Which is
during
deadly
the day,
working
which
weather.
is nice. But the colder weather is coming, so to get that ready will be really good. So we
Yeah.
can just go in and warm up.
It is down below freezing at night now.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, so.
that'd be
Anyhow,
good.
it'd be nice to get that. Have it ready for when it does get cold instead of trying
Yeah.
to do it while it's freezing cold.
Yeah, freeze our little fingers trying to set it up.
Usually it's not too bad here till, like, you know, you're usually not hitting in the minus 20s until
Yeah.
January usually.
Yeah.
And usually we don't really get smashed with snow till then.
Yeah.
Having said that, we still
hap-
get snow
Yeah,
at
it
any
could
moment, and it
happen.
could happen at any moment now, right?
Yeah.
A lot of times there's usually snow by
By now.
Halloween, right? A little bit anyway, dusting.
Yeah, whether it stays or not is
Yeah.
give or take. But come January, it's here to stay, and it's a lot.
And then a ton.
And it's
It
cold,
just keeps coming, yeah.
so we got to get
And
started.
we're up on a higher, like, kind of up in a
Elevation.
mountain now, right? We were before, but now we are again. So we're going to get it again like we
Yeah.
always did.
Get hit with a lot of snow here.
Yeah. We're about an hour away from the last location, but we're still on a high elevation. Mm-hmm. It's a rhyme, eh?
Yeah.
Poet didn't know it.
Yeah. Our last place was up here, and then we drove down during that hour and right back up.
Yeah. Through a valley, up back in the...
Yeah. And now we're just like, okay, good. More snow again.
Yeah.
We need to get snowmobiles, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Oh,
I can
well.
think of lots of things I'd like.
Yeah, I imagine. All right.
At least an old one.
an old one would be cool.
We get a 92 F-150
You're right.
and get ourselves a 92 snowmobile.
Yeah, why not? We got the old camper. How old's that? That's got to be ancient.
That's
fossil,
actually
that thing.
only an 80.
An 80?
That's only 41 years old.
Huh, wow. Seems way older.
Yeah. And the Jeep's an 05.
Yeah, look at, we like the old stuff. That's why I married you.
Yeah. That's mean.
You like that?
Yeah, I'm actually going to go cry.
Okay, let's go do some fascia metal and cry about a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're close enough. Alrighty. That's looking pretty decent.
Yeah.
Hey, check this out. Ice falling off the tractor.
Yeah. Cool.
Getting
eh?
cold. Mm-hmm. Down -3 Celsius last night. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, but man, it looks pretty good.
Looks nice.
Just gonna do the corner boards
Yeah.
and, a little caulking here and there, and that's it. For the outside.
It's awesome. Our little cabin is almost complete.
Yeah, it's cool. We'll put a little wood stove in it and be a nice little warming shack.
Yep.
Cool. But
All right. Yes, we need to announce the winner. So now let's see who won the Blue Eddy. All right, well, congrats. Make sure you send us your information either on Facebook or you can email us. Just send us your information within the next 24 hours or else we'll have to draw again. So you have 24 hours from this time.
Yeah. Do it private message, right?
Yeah, private message on our Facebook page.
Unless you just want all your address right public.
Yeah, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Reach out to us anyway.
Yeah. So, congrats. That's cool.
Yeah, and thanks for everybody else who participated.
Yeah. And so, yeah, we'll get the details together, you know, however you send it, and we'll get it shipped out. That'll be it. We'll give the info to them, and that'll be it.
Awesome. Congrats again.
Yeah, thanks everybody for being here. So that's why we're able to do stuff like this anyway. So we got a sweet bunch of people here.
It's awesome.
So, yeah, coolest.
All right, well, we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, we get the floor joists going. We're going to order those up, so that'll be next.
Yep.
Along with a little tinkering on this as we do it.
Yeah, a little bit of both.
Oh, yeah.
See ya.
See ya.